Welcome to the thorn vivarium. This ecosystem represents the culmination of years of research into synthetic environments.
Adjusting a tiny humidity sensor, testing an arachnid's intrinsic survival within finite boundaries. This miniature jungle terrarium is a marvel of biological engineering, with lush green moss and gnarled branches covering its floor. The film shifts focus to the terrarium's interior. The cautious spider begins its deliberate, methodical exploration of new surroundings. This experiment seeks an unfiltered look into core mechanics of resilience, observing how millennia-old instincts adapt in a restricted world.
This species uses its web primarily as a burrow lining and to protect its eggs, not typically for catching prey.
Shelter is foundational to survival. The spider's priority is establishing a secure base, showing innate vulnerability understanding. The challenge of sustenance emerges as Doctor introduces tiny fruit flies and miniature mealworms into the terrarium. The spider, instantly alert, waits patiently before striking with astonishing speed, capturing prey and highlighting its formidable reflexes. Makes precise adjustments to a miniature LED light, ensuring optimal observation conditions, carefully avoiding direct spider interaction. His intervention maintains scientific parameters, never aiding the subject, ensuring all findings reflect true, unaided survival instincts, preserving integrity. Days turn into weeks, depicted through a montage. The spider moves, feeds, adjusts. Dr. Thorne reviews endless data streams.
Look at this incredible structure. The adaptability of this jumping spider is truly remarkable, creating such a robust web right here in our miniature forest.
The intricate dance of construction begins. The camera zooms in on the tarantula meticulously spinning its web with fine, silken threads.
Makes precise adjustments to a miniature LED light, ensuring optimal observation conditions, carefully avoiding direct spider interaction. Days turn into weeks, depicted through a montage. The spider moves, feeds, adjusts. Dr. Thorne reviews endless data streams. Crucially, the spider showed no stress, its behavior indistinguishable from natural habitat, demonstrating profound comfort and thriving ability.